Have you ever wondered why bees are so crucial to our ecosystem? Let's dive into the world of these buzzing helpers. Bees, with their tireless work ethic, play a vital role in maintaining biodiversity and the delicate balance of nature. They're the unsung heroes of pollination, contributing to the circle of life in ways that stretch far beyond their hives. Our lives, in many ways, are intricately entwined with the existence of bees. Without bees, our plates would look incredibly different, and not in a good way. The secret behind their importance lies in a process known as pollination. But what exactly does it entail? Well, let's dive into this fascinating world. Pollination is essentially a love story, a tale of how plants reproduce. Here's how it works. When a bee lands on a flower to sip its sweet nectar, pollen grains are attached to the bee's body. These tiny yellowish particles are the flower's male reproductive cells, and they hitch a ride on the bee, hoping to find their other half, the female cells. As the bee flits from one flower to another, some of this pollen rubs off onto the flower's stigma, the female part of the flower. This is where the magic happens. The pollen grain grows a tube down into the flower, reaching the ovules, the potential seeds. Here, fertilization occurs, transforming the ovules into seeds and allowing the flower to produce fruit. So, in layman's terms, bees are like the male carriers of the plant world. They deliver pollen from the male parts of a flower to the female parts. This critical process allows plants to reproduce, resulting in the production of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts we love to eat. And it's not just about our food. Pollination also helps plants produce seeds, which grow into new plants, maintaining the health of our ecosystems and the beauty of our landscapes. So, you see, without the tireless work of our buzzing friends, we wouldn't have many of the fruits and vegetables we enjoy daily. Now that you understand the crucial role bees play, you might be wondering, how can I help? Well, becoming a guardian of bees is simpler than you might think. Start with planting bee-friendly flowers in your garden. Lavender, sunflowers, and rosemary are all great choices that bees love. These vibrant plants not only beautify your surroundings, but also serve as a feast for our buzzing friends. Next, let's talk about pesticides. These harmful chemicals are one of the biggest threats to bees, so consider going organic and embracing natural methods to keep pests away from your garden. Your bees will thank you for it. Finally, just like us, bees need water too. A small dish with a few stones and shallow water makes a perfect drinking spot for them. Remember, every small action can contribute to the survival of these tiny heroes. It's time to do your part and help keep our world buzzing with life.